Oh, God. He's on the boat. Bloody God, he's on this boat!
OK, Andy Van Allen is on the boat. Honestly, what are you lot like?
Come on, Russell, keep up, keep up. OK, this is a deal. This is a big deal. This is a very, very big deal for you. I mean, this normally on fan club cruises, this initial greeting is exclusively a celebrity and head of fan club movement. Treasurers don't normally get to witness this, so watch and learn. Hello? Oh, Christ. Greetings! Jeff Monks, Chairman of Purity, the children, obviously, of Castor, your show, the fan club. This is Russell. So, how's the room?
That's fine.
Is there a problem?
Is it... Can I just check? It's an executive deluxe.
No, it's an Ocean View Deluxe Sky Suite. They don't have executive deluxes.
Right, OK, fine, must be crossed wires. This is a little thing.
Go
on. May all your dreams be lucky ones, love from the casino staff.
No, he doesn't want any more of those left on his pillow at all.
And also... Yeah, tiny thing. This towel seem a little coarse to you?
Fluffier towels.
I think that's his bath mat.
Do you still want them softer, or...?
No, I mean, if that's how they are.
Stick with it, yeah. Stick with what you've got.
The television.
Oh, yeah.
What? What, have I got something on my face?
Your TV channels are different. You are in a specially designated Children of Castor room, so your main channel just does continuous reruns of the series.
Ceasefire! Weapons down! Who fired that stratobow?
Mr. Nick Lee?
It's a child!
Hey, Romac. It's a wild world out there.
We shall take that child back to the Citadel. It shall live among us.